Hi, and this is video 3 of 5 to go with Unit 1 of Reading Hack. The videos to support the teaching, and we're going to be looking at the letter sounds. So, letter sounds. Now, it can take a while for a student to achieve fluency when learning to attach the sounds to written letters. Lots of patience and lots of frequent short practice sessions. Couple of times a day, 5 minutes a session, that's a great way to get going. Now, in addition to the worksheets and activities in Reading Hack, it really enhances the learning process to build in some multi-sensory activities. So things like making letters with Play-Doh, drawing letters in the sand, writing on a whiteboard or a chalkboard using lots of different colours, painting the letters. A particular favourite of my students, and we use this for lots of different things, on a really hot day, go outside with a sports bottle and you can paint with the water on the tarmac, on a patio, any hard surface. They love that. Bake letter-shaped cookies. Just be imaginative, be creative, have fun with it. Okay, let's have a look at the letter sounds. So it's important when starting to read with a phonics-based program that it's just the sounds of the letters that are learnt and not the names. So not learning the alphabet song, it's just going to confuse. Just stick with the sounds, certainly in the early stages of learning. So just to make sure everyone's clear on what the sounds are, I'm just going to quickly go through them before introducing the worksheets for this unit. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so this is the intensive worksheet for letter sounds. Once a day, so leaving 24 hours between practices, just go through, so you've got the capital and the lowercase letters here, saying the sounds of the letters, R, D, H, J. If a sound is said correctly, colour in the box next to it. The sheet is complete when there are 5 boxes coloured in next to each letter. If you get to a point where, say, R has got 5 boxes coloured in, but D hasn't, when practicing the sheet, you don't have to do the R again. You can just pick out the letters that aren't completed. And the other sheet is a 1-minute sheet. So going through, saying the sounds of the letters again, A, F, P, X, M, and then recording the time taken down at the bottom here, and the aim is to be able to read through the sheet in under 1 minute. Okay, thank you.